Welcome to the vlog, everyone. I know, so I really hope nothing's in my teeth. So, of course, Queen of Cups highlight making her debut again. Shout out to Baptiste Beauty on Instagram, and of course, Trophy Wipes on the lips. Shout out to Mirror JA on Instagram, and on the lips again. Shout out to Anka Cosmetics. All these people, black owned, Jamaican. Mirror JA is Jamaican owned, right? Because I call her I, you know, as Jamaicans, if I call her I, if you're a copper color, you come from foreign. Or she mix. She probably mix. She mix. She cause her color I, no. Ken. No. Okay, so I wanted today to be a beauty and the Bible. But I also feel like talking to you guys, but the fan is on, so that's why I'm not going to talk. But my lashes are holding up. There's one that's it's a swing. Oh, see, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the brows. Yeah, so this is my number 16 pencil from Anka Cosmetics, and I'm just brushing this through my brows, and I'm going to brush through my brows, and then I am going to layer it to do the eyeshadow. Because remember in the last tutorial I did this a scratch off. Hold on, I'm sticking on sharpen. The last tutorial I did with you guys with the red brows, I wanted to try like a more fire type look. My hands are so messy, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can excuse this head wrap. I just, because whenever I do my hair, when my, oh gosh, I feel like I'm talking in circles. Whenever I do my makeup, my hair want trim, excuse me, and I haven't gotten to it, so I'm just just catch up on it and I lie. So I'm like back combing, I guess you can say. So I'm back stroking, back brushing. I just want it to coat the entire brow. So then I'm going to blend it up. I wish I had groomed my brows. I should have shaved them. Like shave the arch, so I'm gonna have an arch. Alright, and then that's what we have. So now we're going to use this palette, and then we're going to be going in with yellow, orange, pink, red. So I'm going to go in with the orange first. There's so many cool shows I want to watch. The orange first. And I'm using a fluffy brush because I find that the fluffy brush, it deposits the color way better. It's a little more pigmented. I'm having breakfast as well. My eat coffee and well, my eat toast bread and drink coffee. I figured this part can be a talking part because you guys have seen how I do my makeup so many times. Even though every time I do my makeup I switch up something. Just to keep it fresh for you guys, because you guys are coming back. I hate how this is looking already. I don't think this orange is doing what I want it to do, so I'm going to take the orange over some more because I already foresee that whenever I try to blend it, it's not going to blend well. And then I'm going to be using the pink. Yeah, let me use the pink. And I'm brushing it up, as you guys can see. Then the red. Oops, I need to clean off this. Oh my gosh, I need some to clean off. Then the red. So the red is not really coming out red, so on top of the red I'm just going to add a little bit of the red, and on top of the red I think I'm going to be doing purple. So let's do purple. I should have probably done purple before, but I did it after, and I'm passing it on because I want the purple to show through. So when I pat it on, it deposits more of the color. When you swipe it on, so a lot is not really deposited. I love this look already. And I think I'm going to go over the pink with the purple, with the red. Taking the red now, and oh shit, it's orange. Excuse me. See it there now. So I'm gonna go over the pink with the red, but the red is making the orange look hella orange. You see how it's coming up more orangey? So now what I'm going to do is clean this up, and then I'm going to go in with the yellow, and to kind of counteract that orange that is coming here, I'm going to add the yellow on top of the orange, and then add the yellow on top of the orange. You kind of change the color. You see that? So even though this is that turn orange, it not gonna look orange again because of the yellow you remember add on top of the orange, so it's gonna look more like red orange than orange. That makes sense? So I'm using this color to kind of distract from the color I didn't want. Oh, I love this. Yes, on camera it's looking orange. It's looking like orange, deeper orange purple, and I'm not mad. Okay, so I'm going to continue watching Aaliyah's face, finish watching that vlog, and then I'm just going to continue doing my makeup how I would usually do my makeup. But for the Beauty and the Bible, which I'm hoping this will be depending on how I edit, or it's going to be like a sit down talk video or whatever, it is about Luke. So Luke is that's the scripture that really it shook me, because I was like, what? So yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, so this part is sped up and I'm just showing you guys how I would normally do my brows, and this is how I do my eyebrows. I love the shape of these brows, but anytime I wear my head wrap like this, like pulled back, I get that brow shape, and I'm not mad at it. I prefer a more arched brow, but you know, like, I'm not mad at this shape either. So I wanted to speed it up somewhere, but sometimes it looks a little bit too rushed, and I want you guys to actually see. Yo, huge shout out to Naru_essentials on Instagram. Let me tell you, oh, I'm watching a video. Let me tell you, my lashes, oh, they are lashing, baby. And is it this? Yeah, she did fluff them up back for me. Yo, I'm telling you, she's so talented. I don't, oh my god, I don't sound like I'm bashing other people and that's all, but the services I get done there, it's because I don't see them anywhere else. You know, I do my brows like this because I don't see them anywhere else. I do my nails like this because I don't see them anywhere else. It is unusual, and I love being peculiar. I like that. I don't know. I just some things say my ear look normal, my ear look like just a regular somebody on the road. No man. If you describe me, it'll take a while. Yeah, and eyebrow color what? Yeah, officer, it color. Sir, to be fat, no, officer, I swear to God, it color and nails long. What? Yeah, with some bone panda. What? Yeah, when I describe me, it's supposed to last. Listen to me. Look at that color. It's so nice. It looks like my color, my skin color. Oh, and this bruise is from I told you guys already in the vacation video, but this bruise is from the laptop when it fell in my face. And then kill mom the double call me a remedy because I was drinking. So I told her that I was drinking.
So I'm using Perfect Bronze from Sasha Cosmetics, and you can get this at Mirror JA. I don't know if you hear Kyra in the background, but I am watching her Paris vlog. So yeah, so I use this all over my face. I do have this bruise. I just it's in the vlog. The laptop really messed up my face. So now I'm not going to color correct because I wear full coverage foundation. And I'm just doing this tutorial for this video, so I don't need like two color correct. You know, if I was like at a shoot or something, then yeah, but because I'm just doing it for I don't have my head wrap on. Oh my gosh, BRB bitch. Oh my god. How can I? It's a tight. By the way, how can I not? Lord have mercy. Lord. And then I can't make you touch my face. Blood cleanse. I cannot believe I took it off. Oh my god, it's snow. Oh my god, it has makeup on it now. Sure. And it now the wrap up tight. Hold on there. I'm trying to finish it. Hold on there, Kyra. I'm gonna try and finish it. By the way, I want to call her Kira because it's K-I, and my Kyra is K-Y. I And I'm like, that sounds better. Sounds like better English. Okay. Oh, it has to go from my head. Hold on there. Jesus Christ. Let's do it again. We're gonna push it under first. But if this not tight, it's have a pull. Okay. Okay, not bad. Alright. Okay. Oh shit. It can't go any upper. It can't go any upper. Okay, there we go. Not too up. Okay, so for my highlights, I'm going to be using Perfect Tan. For my highlights, and as I said, this is full coverage. I use this to blend out around this brush. So just going to go and tap it. It hurts. It's so tender under my eyes. Right to the laptop drop, right to the tender. Alright, you guys, I really think I need to tell you guys something. I will actually shit out. Hold on. Okay, so I can manage the pain, but I just don't want the discomfort. Alright, I'll be I'll be doing a video every single day for the month of November too. And the truth is, my YouTube money is nowhere near where I want it to be. So I'll just be putting the work in, and these series of vlogs, obviously, you know that vlog, daily vlogs, it shoots your money up, right? So these vlogs, even though they're not getting like a shit ton of views, it's making a cute little dent. And I'm like, okay, bet, because I've been stuck at one price point for 2 months, and this leg of like daily vlogs, it's really helping that, isn't it? So I'll be continuing this in November, so I would genuinely appreciate it if you guys interact. Let me know. Sorry, not interact. I mean, interact on my Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, and you guys let me know, like if I do like a Q&A, you can write your questions or whatever. And oh shit, hold on. Oh, this sponge is dry. It's not damp. I can manage it, you know, come here and say I just discomfort, but I just don't want to. Oh god. Anyway, so yeah, right, if you have questions, comments, you can leave them. I am doing way better now. I'm back responding to you guys in the comment section. So that's pretty cool. I watch Aaliyah's face vlog, Kyra's. No, I'm going to watch. Well, after Kyra, I'm going to watch Painting. After Painting, if Natasha has one up, I'm going to watch hers as well. And then, if not, I'm going to watch JoJo. And she's the newest person I'm watching on YouTube. It's JoJo camping, and I'm like, I want to go camping. It's so cool. This is the same brush I used to do my all over foundation, Perfect Bronze. And as you can see, you can already see, like, there's, even though it's my foundation and it doesn't have to be darker, that's because we already applied a lighter color underneath and across the nose, so that any other color you apply that is darker than it, even though it's my color, it is going to low light. Correct. Just blending. And the reason why I don't talk is because I usually have the fan on, so I'm going to stop talking because I don't know if the fan is messing up this audio, but it usually does. So I'm going to stop talking and then play some music and continue to watch YouTube.
I wanna be the greatest. Stunting into something, I just wanna be a slayer. I just wanna give a vibe and I just wanna make it. I just gotta win, don't give a fuck about the fakest. Go against the grain, and really done that. Farthest thing away from a hood rat, but know a thing or two about that life. But with you it's fully life. Don't care about the struggle or the waiting edge. With you I'm blessed, it's real that I can even make it here.
Oh, won't believe it. Oh, you believe it. Oh, gonna achieve it. Gonna achieve it. Oh, won't believe it. Oh, you believe it. Oh, gonna achieve it. Oh, baby, I want you. Baby, I want you. There's something about you, baby. I want you. Baby, I want you. There's something about you.
Yeah, there's something just about the way you move. Yeah, there's so much depth into the way you grew. Yeah, it's called a growing lesson. Hidden in the humor, always finding me a blessing. They done said the secret John is hidden in the new angelic excellence. We've adapted to the surge of all the effort spent. Money spent to the wall, to the damn pay the rent. Love is in another, can't believe this shit's on the same day. I'ma give but I won't break. I enjoy when it's gon' rain. I die but I don't change. I just stay in my own lane. I just live in my own brain. I just stay without the connections. No guidance, no guessing. I know I'm gonna make it in.
Oh, won't believe it. Oh, believe it. Oh, I said it all. Baby, I want you. Baby, I want you. There's something about you, baby. I want you. Baby, I want you. There's something about you. La da 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 da. I said da 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 da.
Baby, sing louder.
I just wanna da 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 da. I said da 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 da
Ain't no way you're bringing me down. Thought that you could keep me under, but I've been lifted up from the ground. And just in case you've ever wondered,
Yeah, I'll tell the truth. Pull up in tanks, just me and the troops. This ain't nothing new. Yeah, team getting smaller, we down to a few. When you see us, salute us. I've been in the water with shots, been recruiters and ears. Life getting real. Off with the lights, but we bet the city on heels. Closer to God, I just gotta be. When I wasn't my thoughts, they were hunting me. It was all of them, only one of me. These days I'm watching who's in my company. Yeah, no plans of slowing my foot on the gas. Like yeah, in Wyoming when I'm in my bag. I beat up these stresses, they blue and they black. I see that you kept me, you knew that I snapped.
ain't no way you're bringing me down. Thought that you could keep me under, but I've been lifted up from the ground. And just in case you've ever wondered, there ain't no way you're bringing me down. Thought that you could keep me under, but I've been lifted up from the ground. Just in case you've ever
That's on God.
wondered.
Look, hard times gonna stop me, never. If anything, I took it up a level. Like in God I trust, I came back with a buck. Cause when times got tough, I got better. World fell apart, so we had to rebuild. Work all the time, but I'm salary still. Juggling, hustling, wondering how I'm gonna shell out for promise and pay for these bills. Well, if you gotta know, I'm running the audible. And it's harder cause I'm picking up the charges for shopping out of the garbage. And Papa popping the talk for talking out of my promise. Regardless, I gotta finish what I started for real. Up next, who knows, but I'm trying to blow. I mean, I'm down for the climb, just give me the rope. And if I fall, they gon' all your Geronimo. But watch me come right back like the prodigal. Cause I ain't never been a quitter, just put it on God. People try to kill my dreams, but didn't survive. And I would never sell my soul for a piece of the pie. Well, I made the vision clear for Alicia Rashad. No cap, my decision a roadmap. Funny how it all just begun. Yeah, it took a while to be sure, but I'm back with a force and I'm good when it's all said and done.
Ain't no way you're bringing me down. Thought that you could keep me under, but I've been lifted up from the ground. And just in case you've ever wondered,
code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay?
Okay.
Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focused and winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10 men, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got him shook.
There's a war going on inside. Just to name a couple, I battle with porn and pride. In a persistent struggle, a reoccurring huddle, a prayer meeting with me and the Holy Spirit. Feeling free, but no, I'm nowhere near it. But thank God for His conviction. The awkward part of me that may leave others to suspicion and call me into question. I confess my addiction. Know it's a lethal weapon, may compromise the mission. Being proselytized from this humanistic system. You think about that and tell me just what you envision. You think about crack and how it kept on calling Pookie. Feel that about sin. Feel like it's always trying to shoot me, but I help him work his aim to make sure he doesn't miss. I sell him the guns, let him borrow the clips. I set myself up sometimes just so I repent. Keep walking with me, Jesus, you know I need your strength, oh Lord.
To be honest, many nights I've gotten bored. I killed the beast and willed the beast a million times before. I sew the wound and soon the hills of reels me in a spoon. I lay it down, I'm praying now. Forgot to take this tune, I seem to replay it. Broken records will wreck the message. I'm praying for brighter days, but I can see the storm lessen. My essence formed to a fraud. Talking only blessings, but never addresses menage. Too long as mirage from chilling over my eyesight. Wonder how Stevie feel when this mirror will give me chills. Cause all I can see is twilight, no reflection. This civil war, I'm bound to question. Can I kill the lust that I love? Enough with this guessing, man. I'm in a line like Levi. I guess it's in my genes. I've inherited his spirit, is precisely what I mean. It's time to kill the flesh. I got snipers on us depressing. When past is an issue, future's tense, but I'm focused on his presence.
Every day I wake, there's a war on. I won't be the one that it ends though. The one true God I'ma call on. Cause He the only one that can save souls. Yeah, brother, run Are you ready to go? Yeah, so with this war going on, we gon' fight till the day that we die.
I wasn't always saved, I was once depraved and a slave to my nature. My way to an early grave had been paved. Generations before me, my forefathers seed carried the lost gene, causing me to be formed evil. But even before the tree in the garden was seen as a cause of beef, the Lord in His seed had a scheme to pardon, redeem the fallen, release a call from the demon's claws, and free the lost with the peace of the Father in the peeps of promise. But being honest, I was a pacifist people pleaser, a punk of a peacekeeper, a rug under feet and sneakers. Passive aggressive, suppressing wrath and neglecting, addressing acts of offense, never getting mad, it just seeps deeper. The cheap Jesus, animosity's remedy at the cross, enter in the beef and abolish offenses. We as the lost in an enmity with the Father, His enemies, and for knowledge is kin to be getting dropped from His list of thieves. But in between